Hey guys, what's up? Back again with a little do-it-yourself DIY video. Alright, let me move this out of the way. I bought this dresser for 20 bucks at the Peddler's Mall. It was white. Looked like this actually. This is one of the drawers. Looked like this. 20 bucks, just a wooden little dresser. Here it is now. After I've sanded her down and painted her. Gotta do like maybe one more coat, two more coats. Here's the back. It's in really good shape. It's 20 bucks. This is for my daughter's room. My youngest is 3. And like I said, this is the drawers. We're gonna paint those same color. The top drawers, bought new handles. This is a flower little knob that's going to be on the top. Picture this color, so that's going to be the top drawer, and then the bottom drawers are these crystal little handles. See that? But it's going to be this color, obviously. So 20 bucks. Paint I already had laying in the garage, so that was free. Well, not free, I bought it a year or so ago. It's another DIY project. Anyway, drawer, sand them, paint them, do another coat on this, maybe 2. Put the handles on, and then I got me a dresser that I spent 20 bucks on, and I could easily make I could probably turn around and sell it for 50 bucks. You know, $30 profit just from sanding it and painting it with stuff I already had. Had to buy the handles, new knobs. That was about 10, 15 bucks, but so 35 bucks in, so 50, you know, a little profit right there. A little $15 profit. Just a quick little do-it-yourself video. I need to start filming myself actually doing these do-it-yourselfs instead of, you know, I already did this the other day. I need to film myself like sanding these drawers and painting them and then putting the knobs on and stuff like that. I need to start filming myself do these things. But yeah, just a quick little DIY project. Go to your Peddler's Mall, buy you a dresser or, you know, anything for, you know, 10, 20 bucks, 30 bucks. Just throw a little paint on it, sand it, throw a little paint on it, some new knobs. Anyways, yeah, you go to Peddler's Mall, spend 20, 30 bucks, redo it, resand them, paint it, whatever it is you end up buying, you know, anything. Turn around and sell it for 20, 30 bucks profit, you know, or more, depending on what it is. But that's it. That's what I got so far. Peace. All right, guys, little quick outro. If you like what you see, you know, these DIY projects, or you want to see some more stuff with my motorcycle. I know my first video was my motorcycle, and I haven't made one since then. The other one was about my truck. I plan on doing stuff with my truck and the motorcycle, but right now I'm doing some DIY projects. So whatever you like, please let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. I got more stuff coming. Regardless, you know, I just like to know what you guys want to see. If you want to see anything, you know, just let me know. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, later.